If you want your garden to stay healthy and productive, proper watering and regular plant care are essential. Fortunately, you do not always need expensive equipment or commercial products to achieve good results. A few simple DIY solutions can help you manage these tasks using materials that are easy to find and affordable to use. Today, we will look at 2 practical gardening methods that can help make garden maintenance easier and more efficient. Method number 1, homemade plastic bottle garden shower. A plastic bottle can be converted into a simple garden shower that provides a gentle spray of water for vegetables, flowers, seedlings, and small garden beds. Unlike a strong stream of water, the fine spray helps distribute moisture more evenly and reduces disturbance around delicate roots. To make this watering tool, start with a clean plastic bottle and create multiple small holes on one side using a needle, pin, or another sharp object. Keep the holes close together and roughly the same size to produce an even spray pattern. The number of holes can be adjusted depending on how wide you want the water coverage to be. Next, remove the bottle cap and attach the bottle opening securely to a plastic pipe. If the connection is loose, wrap strong tape around the joint to prevent leaks and maintain water pressure. Then connect the other end of the pipe to a water source, such as a garden hose. Once everything is connected, place the bottle where watering is needed and slowly turn on the water supply. Water will flow through the bottle and exit through the small holes, creating a shower-like spray. This gentle watering method is especially useful for young plants and seedlings that can be damaged by stronger water pressure. It is inexpensive, easy to build, and gives new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded. Method number 2, homemade soap and vinegar garden spray. Many gardeners use simple homemade sprays as part of their regular plant maintenance routine. This mixture combines a few common household ingredients and can be prepared quickly, using materials found in most homes. Begin by adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of dishwashing soap shavings to a container. Pour in 1 liter of water. Followed by 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and mix everything thoroughly. The soap should dissolve completely, so the final mixture becomes smooth and free of large particles. For best results, continue stirring or use a blender if needed to create a uniform liquid. Once fully mixed, pour the solution into a clean spray bottle. Straining the mixture before filling the bottle can help prevent nozzle blockages and ensure even spraying. Apply the spray to both the upper and lower surfaces of plant leaves, as many insects tend to gather underneath. It is best used during the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. Regular monitoring is important after application. Inspect plants for signs of insects or damage and reapply if necessary. Keeping the spray bottle clean after each use will also help maintain consistent performance and prevent clogging. These two simple projects show how everyday materials can be turned into useful gardening tools. One provides an affordable watering system that delivers a gentle shower to plants, while the other creates a practical homemade spray using common household ingredients. Together, they help make garden care easier, more efficient, and more budget-friendly, while encouraging the reuse of materials that are often already available at home.